Star Tours now features more flights to more destinations every day, with the most on-time departures and arrivals in the galaxy. All our Starspeeder 1000s are piloted by the very best Class 3 droids, the most competent and confident pilots you'll ever meet.
Welcome aboard.
And the friendliest, too.
Looks like we're ready for another on-time departure.
All Star Tours pilots are programmed to deliver you on time, every time. So when your flights call...
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before.
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get just got worse.
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Well, stay low.
Why?
If using their tracking, now put your shields up. If they work.
Thank the bacon. Shoot! I know, back in this instant. Arthur, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. The transmission. BB-8, what are you doing here? Mission? What mission? He says he has vital information to deliver and needs our help. Well, we're not going on any mission. It's bound to be dangerous. R2, we're not going. Good luck. Wait! Where are we going? No! This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull off, Arthur! Pull off!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, R2. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
R2, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and... Watch out! Thank the Maker.
Hey, that's my ship. We got a lot of explaining to do.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
I look forward to seeing you on another flight. Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.